allotment of house sites within 90 days program. This is the flagship program that we've said. మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏమిటంటే ఎవ్రీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ సంవత్సరానికి 2 సార్లు పెన్షన్ల దగ్గర నుంచి మొదలు పెడితే పెన్షన్స్ రేషన్ కార్డ్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి మొదలు పెడితే ఎవ్రీథింగ్ దేర్ షుడ్ బి పెండింగ్ అనేది ఇంక్లూడింగ్ స్కీమ్స్కి సంబంధించిన మనము ఏదైనా 1 month టైం ఇస్తాం. 1 month లోపల మీరు అప్లికేషన్లో ఏదైనా రాకపోయిందంటే అప్లికేషన్ పెట్టుకోండి. సో వాటికి సంబంధించిన వెరిఫికేషన్స్ కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేసి ప్రతి సంవత్సరం డిసెంబర్ అండ్ జూన్ ఈ 2 డేట్స్ పెట్టుకోండి, 2 నెలలు. ఏదైనా కూడా క్లోజ్ ఇట్ బై డిసెంబర్, దెన్ వన్స్ అగైన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లోజింగ్ డేట్ వుడ్ బి జూన్. సో దాట్ ఎవ్రీ స్కీమ్లో ఇక్కడ ఏదన్నా మనం బెనిఫిషరీస్ను మిస్ అవుట్ అయిపోయినా కానీ లేకపోతే అలాట్మెంట్కు అప్లికేషన్ పెట్టుకున్నా కూడా వెరిఫికేషన్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి రెడీగా మనం పెట్టుకొని ద క్లోజెస్ట్ మంత్ జూన్ కానీ డిసెంబర్ కానీ ఆ మంత్ లోపల అన్ని కంప్లీట్ చేసేస్తాం. దెన్ అగైన్ వి మూవ్ ఆన్ సో దాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ డెస్టినేషన్ దట్ ఈస్ డిసెంబర్ మంత్ ఆర్ జూన్ మంత్. ఒక డెస్టినేషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ డెస్టినేషన్ లోపల ప్రీవియస్ అన్నీ కూడా మొత్తము కంప్లీట్ చేసి వెరిఫికేషన్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి వీ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ టు బీ ensuring that the benefit is rendered to the beneficiaries on those particular months, in those particular months. ఇది డెస్టినేషన్ కింద మీరు పెట్టుకోండి. ది లాంచ్ ఆఫ్ జగనన్న సంపూర్ణ గృహ హక్కు పథకం, ఇది what is been scheduled for December, and those people, the beneficiaries there, వాళ్ళు అమ్ముకోవాలన్నా అమ్ముకోలేరు ఆ ఇళ్లను. they cannot sell those house properties because it is already mortgaged. And neither can they get a loan because the property is already mortgaged with AP Housing Corporation. So loan తెచ్చుకోలేని పరిస్థితి, అమ్ముకోలేని పరిస్థితి. ఈ కేటగిరీలో దాదాపుగా 67 లక్షల మంది 2011 కన్నా ముందు అంటే 1980s నుంచి 2011 దాకా ఉన్న అన్ని హౌస్ సైట్స్ హౌసెస్ who are coming under this category, we are releasing them. So we are releasing them so that these beneficiaries can actually own these properties. They will have the right to sell, dispose these properties. They will have the right to avail loans from the banks because the property becomes their own. Registration would be done on their names. It's going to be a big game changer in those lives, especially for the 67 lakh పేదవాళ్ళ జీవితాలలో. It's going to be a big game changer. Village and ward secretariats inspection. This is one of the most important aspect. The reason being, in fact, this would be monitored so closely that this is one particular aspect what at the Chief Minister's level, at CMO level, this is going to be a litmus test. If this litmus test is not passed, I would not hesitate to take action. It is that very important program because this is going to define governance. If we do not take charge over the situation, good governance cannot be rendered. So it's very, very important that collectors, the joint collectors, the sub-collectors, the PO ITDAs, the RDOs, sub-collectors, everybody own these secretariats, be it municipalities, be it ward, or be it grammar secretariats. You need to own them. It's very, very important. My only apprehension in this whole aspect is, my only fear in this whole aspect is, if we do not go, governance will not improve. Only when we go there, governance will improve. Starting next month, I'm also going to ask MLAs also to visit 4 Sachivalayas per week. And then give them 2 months time. The MLAs also give them 2 months time that is October and November. And December, I also want to start this program because I want to ensure that, the quality there is totally updated, upgraded to that level before my inspection. So I want you to focus on this, ensure that every minute detail is looked into so that by the time I start touring, there are absolutely no complaints. Because when I start touring, you will be there with me. So that's the reason why I'm giving a lot of headroom, a lot of head start for you, so that everything is attended to before my tour actually starts in December. And every application, you would have to ensure that whether a SOP is followed for rejection. There's got to be an SOP for rejection. Before rejecting any application, you'd have to give a notice. Then you'd have to take an explanation from the beneficiary. You need to give an explanation. You need to give a notice to the beneficiary before an application is rejected. You need to take an explanation once again from the beneficiary on that notice that you have given. On that, you need to give a speaking order. And after you give a speaking order, then an order should be given to the beneficiary and a photograph to be taken. An acknowledgement. This process jaragali. The whole situation is anybody deserving arhudiki manchi jaragala. Anarhudiki ivakodadu. Every deserving person should get, and every undeserving person should not get. So all these things will only come into force only when you start inspecting, only when you start enforcing, only when you go there. Let the inspecting officials maintain a register there in every Gram Sachivalayam. In every Gram Sachivalayam, please make sure that you have a physical register as well. Physical inspection register should be made available in every Gram Sachivalayam or Ward Sachivalayam. And this inspecting officer should record his observations on improvements to be carried out in that secretariat. So it's very, very important that you actually start owning these Sachivalayas, because this is one place where the corruption is zero. And we would have to maintain that. With our focus, our energy, our passion there, only then this will remain like that. A place where there is no corruption, a place where there is no discrimination, a place where every beneficiary who if he is deserving, would be entitled. A place where undeserving do not get. Situation as far as COVID is concerned, we've seen a positivity of 25.26% during the peak. Now we have a situation of weekly positivity at 2.18%. So there's a huge drop from where we've seen the peak during the month of probably May to what we are currently seeing now. In fact, the daily average is only 1.95. That's a very consoling factor. The recovery rate also has improved to 98.63%, which is also a very, very favorable news. But having said this, please make sure that you're not complacent, because you never know when people at times speak about third wave, and you would never know when this is going to happen. So please do not be complacent. Until and unless 100% vaccination is done, our responsibility to the society will not be discharged. and that too 100% 2 doses. Only after both the doses are given would we have some comfort factor. After that, probably you would have to go for a booster dose, maybe. I do not know how the situation would be. But at least till we get there, please do not be complacent. It's very, very important that you're on your toes, giving time for this. Next topic, Disha app download progress. In fact, this is one thing which will actually transform the state of Andhra Pradesh probably into one of the best states probably in this country. This one exercise which will give safety to the women just by shaking the phone. There is an assurance that within 6 minutes, the average time, that is, maybe in rural areas it might be a little more, but the average time is within 6 minutes. Within 6 minutes, you have a police vehicle attend to the scene just by shaking the phone. That is the confidence that Disha app gives. And I'm proud to say that I'm happy to note that 70 lakh 520 downloads have so far been taken. 70 lakhs 520 downloads have been so far downloaded. Amazing numbers. In fact, out of this 70 lakh 520 downloads, SOS requests have come for 3,78,571. Usually people, the moment they download, they just check whether this app is really working or not. And actionable calls that actually emerged out of these SOS requests were 4,639. And within these 3 months, you have almost 900 success stories. Success stories meaning ఏదైనా జరక్క మునిపే ప్రివెంట్ చేయగలిగాం. 900 success stories through this app in these 3 months. July we launched the app, July, August, September. We have a situation of 70 lakh downloads, 900 success stories. The average time when compared to earlier days, the average time to file a charge sheet was 300 days. The average time to file a charge sheet. Today, the average time to file a charge sheet is 42 days. Phenomenal work by the police department. A lot of appreciation for you. In fact, all what I request the police department is, especially the SPs there, is please own this program. This is your baby. Your reputation will be totally altered. The country would speak about you. Please own this program. You have Mahila police in every Sachivalayam. You have volunteers in every Sachivalayam. Make use of these volunteers and the Mahila Police. The collectors also, please ensure the reputation of the collectors, reputation of the SPs will totally go to a different level on this program of yours. And also, police will my advice. Please do not be perturbed by the number of FIRs being registered. It's good. It should not bother us. In fact, we are facilitating FIRs through this app. We are encouraging FIRs through this app. The more the number of FIRs, better. Good. Don't take it the other way around. Don't take it the other way. Because some fellow will comment and say, Andhra Pradesh is reporting more number of cases. In fact, it is good that if we report more number of cases. If more number of cases are facilitated, if more number of cases are encouraged, then that means we are doing our duty in a better way. It should be the other way around. If somebody should be questioned, if more number of cases are not registered. Sorry, Asara program we wanted to conduct. We will take this program to Dasara. So we'll start on 7th of next month. Have it 10 days, 7th to 17th, wherein all the public representatives, all the MLAs, the local leaders, the sarpanches, the MPTCs, the ZPTs, all these people also be involved in the process in that mandal. And not only will they educate about Asara, what kind of good it's going to do, while they hand over the check in that particular mandal on that particular day, they will also talk about what good Asara has done, what good Cheyuta has done. They will talk about Disha app. They will talk about women empowerment. Especially the good stories what have come out in that mandal should come out through Asara and through Cheyuta, through Disha. Especially these Asara and Cheyuta, these stories, if they were to come out, how their lives have been transformed, have been changed, then you'll have more number of people wanting to become part of Amol, become part of Reliance, become part of ITC, become part of Procter & Gamble, become part of these multinational companies. And also, government can explain in detail, in depth, how these programs have been created, how these programs have been created, intending to change the lives of women, how they're actually helping. So it will be a huge educational tour as well, where there will be more awareness created, more education rendered on these schemes as to how to make use of these schemes for more women empowerment. And also the Disha app, the importance of downloading the Disha app. So all these things fitted in, mandal as a unit we will take and spread it in 10 days' time. Last point, that all the collectors, the district administration, the Sachivalayam staff, the volunteers, the entire district level administration, most importantly headed by collectors, all of you you have my sincere thanks, because the results that have come in, the local body results, local body elections, is all credit to you. the performance of the government is reflected when the governance there in the districts is exemplary, the performance is exemplary. And today, thanks to you, thanks to your working there with such dedication, and that all the schemes, that all the programs which range from Nadu Nedu to empowering women, to empowering farmers, everything is yielded such positive results that never in the history of Andhra Pradesh, probably these kind of results are probably, even in the history of this country also, probably I doubt if these numbers were ever witnessed in any state. Never so in our state. 98% and 86% and these kind of numbers. God's grace. Thankfully, right from the beginning, they were always heading in that direction. In Assembly and Parliament elections, we got 86% of the Assembly seats, 88% of the Parliament seats. And then the same trend continued in Sarpanch elections, where we scored, where our sympathizers won 81% of the seats. And then it continued in municipalities, where we won 74 out of 75 municipalities, meaning almost 98%. And 12 out of 12 corporations, meaning 100%. And then the trends similarly continued with MPTCs and ZPTCs now that the results have come, where we're talking about 100% MPP, 100% ZPP, and 86% of MPTC seats, and 98% of ZPTC seats. All this is a huge thanks to you, and huge appreciation for the effort and for the performance what you people have put in. I always say, my performance is your performance. If you do a good job there, automatically it is reflected in the hearts of the people that we've done a good job, that the government has done a good job, and which ultimately helps me. And God's grace, we've done a good job so far. There's been no corruption. Every scheme is being delivered in a very transparent way, without any corruption and without any discrimination. Please make sure that you continue this. Please make sure that, whatever little bit of corruption still that exists, and probably in other areas, please remove that also from the system and bring in a better system of better governance into the picture, better system into the picture, so that ultimately we continue these results even in 2024, and God's grace, touch wood, going forward for many more years to come. And thank you once again for all the effort that you people have put in, and a huge word of appreciation for that as well. Thank you.
మీరు చూస్తున్నారు ఐ డ్రీమ్ న్యూస్ ని.
Please subscribe.
ఐ డ్రీమ్స్.
For more videos,
Subscribe.
I dream.
Please subscribe for more videos.
I dream.
I dream.
For more videos,
Subscribe, I dream. Please subscribe.
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఐ డ్రీమ్ ఛానల్.
Do subscribe.
I dream.
ఐ డ్రీమ్ ఛానల్ని
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
Do watch I Dream.